Hello. Guess what is this? Actually, nagsimba kami dun sa St. Francis of Assisi sa Jebel Ali Catholic Church. So, after the mass, may nagbenta ng balot made from UAE. It's a homemade balot. Then, worth 25 dirhams. So mayroon siyang suka, tapos tatlong balot at saka dalawang penoy worth of 25 dirhams. So maybe itong may markang ito ang penoy, kasi usually sa Pinas yung may guhit yung penoy, di ba? Pero sabi lang nila, hindi raw siya sa puti. So normal balot lang siya, hindi siya malaki ang sisiw. So ito yung tatlong balot. So I think it's also a duck egg. But this is a penoy. So ito yung suka. So let's try one. Okay. So I will try the balot without asin. Actually, I more prefer asin. But actually, binigay nila kasi rito suka lang eh. So let's just try suka for this balot. So again, this is your Kabalenda A. We'll try balot homemade from UAE. It's a fertile egg na pinakuluan. It's famous in our place in Philippines, especially in Pampanga. So bigla ako nag-crave. Magaling yung nagtitinda eh. Sinabi niya kaagad na balot eh, para sa Pinas lang. So let's try it. One penoy and one balot. So first I will knock this. Then I will remove some of the hindi siya sa puti. See. Now I will put some vinegar. Then I will drink it. So it's a fertile egg. See, have a look. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. If possible, ring the notification bell para pag may bagong mga So I need your support, guys. See. It's not sa puti, mali lang yung sisiw. It's not really cured balot. Okay. Pag ganito kasi malaki yung bato niya eh. See? So this is a fertile egg, famous in our place in Philippines. I will put more vinegar. So this is the duck embryo. So ito balot na ito, hindi ko na-tap to. Ito na yung bato niya. Then this is unfertile egg. So let's try this unfertile egg. So ito yung tinatawag nila ito penoy. Wow. It's like what they call this one? Leche plan, no? See? It's like a leche plan. Ooh. So pag ganito na yung usually pag ganito na yung itlog, hindi na talaga mapipisa ito. Sa Kapampangan tinatawag na ito bugok na itlog. So, pero sa Tagalog, tawag nila ito Penoy. Penoy sa puti siya. Oh. So I will put vinegar again. Ooh. Then, Pagkaner, sarap. Para siyang gelatin. See? Ah. Sarap. Okay. Ito yung hindi natuloy na na itlog na hindi na nabuo yung fetus niya, hindi na nabuo yung embryo niya, oh. See? So this I don't type to. Matigas masyado yung bato. Tawag namin itong bato. Sarap niya. Well, parang nasa Pinas lang. Balut number 2. This is the second balut now. So same routine. Open. Wow. Masabaw siya, oh. See? See? Oh. Then put some vinegar. Then again, sip. Ito. Medyo sa puti ito. Hindi rin siya sa puti. So, see the small duck, oh. Small duck siya, oh. There. So this egg, fertile egg siya, but this is balut. So let's continue eating balut in UAE. See? OMG, sarap. Yaman na. Yaman. So let's try the Penoy, the second Penoy. Oh my God. Nasobra ng pukpok, oh. Water. So this is the last balot. So I eat 3 balot and 2 Penoy now. Wala. Wow. It's juicy, oh, may sabaw, oh, sabaw. See? So this is my last balot. See the embryo? So sorry for those who's not familiar with this food, sorry, but this is a Filipino food. It's a normal food everywhere in Philippines. You can find this one. You can buy this one in any street every night. So this is it. My last balot. 3 balot I eat tonight and 2 Penoy. Yummy. Sarap. Nyaman. Satisfied. Craving satisfied. Thank you. Please, again, like my video and please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is your Kabalenda. See you on the next episode. Ramadan Kareem to all our Muslim brothers. Have a blessed, happy and blessed Ramadan to you and to your family. God bless us all. Bye-bye.